To get transition effect when unlocking your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with biometrics, you have to enable Show Unlock Transition Effect option. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under additional security settings section, tap biometrics. And then tap the gray on offset next to Show Unlock Transition Effect until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, your phone will show transition effect when you are unlocking your phone with fingerprint or face recognition. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.